What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your shower drain plate cover and unclog your drain in just 1 minute. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Come on down here to our shower drain plate cover. Now if you look at this one, there's no screws on this. If you have one that has screws like a steel plate cover, probably have one on each side. You're just going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to unscrew each of those, and then you're going to gently pry it up with your flathead. Now on this one there's no screws, it's just set in place. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and get one that has a kind of a thin tip. If you look on each side, there's these little notches, and what we can do is gently put our screwdriver under those notches and pry it up. Now if it's not coming up, you don't want to force it and crack this cover if it's a plastic one. Get yourself some WD-40, spray it around the rim of the drain, let it sit for about 15 minutes or so, and then get yourself some pliers that fit into these holes in the drain cover. You're going to go ahead and hold the pliers, and you're going to pull up with the pliers. At the same time, you're going to pry that edge with the flathead and pull up, and the cover should just pop right out. Then we can go ahead and remove all the hair, get the hair from down in there. Check down in our drain and remove any hair or gunk that's down in there. Now with that drain cover off, I suggest don't put it back. Get one of these little mesh screens and get one that fits nice and flush to the drain. I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description to some of these, as well as the tools and supplies I used for this project. And this is going to prevent a lot of future drain clogs from hair. Hair is usually almost always the culprit. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.